tulina amawulire ag'essanyu eri eggwanga n'abavuzi b'ebidduka nga tubaleetera emmotoka empya gye introducinze mu katale eya Suzuki Grand Vitara Hybrid. Eno emmotoka nnungi nnyo ku butonde oba gye tuyita environment, ate n'ekirala nti ekuyamba okukola ki okusala ku mafuta g'obadde okozesa. Nga bwe mukimanyi nti akaseera ke tulimu nti ebisale by'amafuta bisiba byeyongera, ng'ate abavuga ebidduka ebweru eyo beebuunya tukoze tutya, solutions ki eziriwo. So tuli basanyufu okulaba nti eno y'emu ku solutions tuyinza okuwa akatale.
The nature of road, you can say yes, because this car has a better ground clearance, and it is a four-wheel drive, but automatic four-wheel drive. Automatically, when you need four-wheel drive, the sensors will sense that it is required now. It will automatically apply four-wheel drive. But normally, it's a two-wheel drive. Okay. So in town, in roads like tarmac roads, the vehicle will always be on two-wheel drive to enhance fuel economy as well. So the four-wheel drive will kick in automatically when it is required. So it is, yes, it is one of the best vehicles for the Ugandan roads. It surpasses the other all-wheel. Yeah, that's exactly the uniqueness of that. People call it all-wheel grip function, but all wheels will come in when the road demands for it.